In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Strava account from the iOS app. Before we begin, a quick note. This walkthrough is for iPhone and iPad. The layout can change slightly with app updates, but the overall flow should feel familiar. Start by opening the Strava app on your device. From the main screen, look to the lower left and tap the U icon. This is your profile area, and it's where Strava keeps most personal and account-related controls. Once you're on your profile, head to the upper right corner and tap the small cogwheel to open settings. If you don't see it at first glance, give the page a moment to load or scroll up slightly. The icon sometimes tucks toward the top as you navigate. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Help. On iOS, the option to permanently remove an account is located inside this Help section, so go ahead and select it. When the Help page opens, scroll all the way to the bottom and look for Delete Your Account. Tap that, and Strava will take you to the dedicated deletion flow. From here, simply follow the prompts on screen. Strava typically explains what will be removed, may ask you to confirm your choice more than once, and can require a quick verification like confirming via email or re-entering your password. Read each message carefully and proceed only when you're sure. Account deletion is permanent. Your activities, posts, and social connections on Strava will be removed, and recovery isn't guaranteed once the process completes. A few important considerations as you proceed. If you want to keep a record of your workouts, consider exporting your data before finalizing deletion. Once the account is gone, your activity history will no longer be accessible. If you have an active subscription, manage it through your App Store subscriptions to make sure billing stops on time, as deleting an account doesn't automatically cancel an App Store subscription. Also, if you own clubs or manage group events, transferring ownership beforehand can prevent disruptions for others. If your goal is more about privacy or reducing notifications rather than leaving the platform entirely, know that Strava offers robust privacy controls, including profile visibility and activity sharing settings. Those adjustments can address many concerns without removing your account. But if you're set on leaving, continue through the prompts until you see confirmation that the deletion request has been submitted. That's it. You opened Strava, went to your profile, entered settings, selected help, chose delete your account, and completed the prompts for a clean, permanent removal.